Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Imagine a place where emerald mountains rise from turquoise seas and the scent of spice hangs in the air. Grenada, the Caribbean's hidden gem, is all this and more. It's not the largest or busiest island, but its quiet beauty sets it apart. Volcanic hills tumble to white sand beaches, where mystery glimmers just beneath the surface. This is Grenada, the Caribbean's best-kept secret. Grenada sits quietly in the southeastern Caribbean, a gateway between the Atlantic and Caribbean seas. Just north of Trinidad and Venezuela, it forms the southern tip of the Grenadines. Known as the Spice Island, Grenada's fertile volcanic soil and tropical climate nurture nutmeg, cinnamon, and cloves. The air is heavy with fragrance, and spices shape its destiny. Grenada's natural beauty is breathtaking. The island is cloaked in thick rainforest, alive with hidden trails and secret streams. In Grand Anse National Park, ancient trees and mist feed rare orchids and bright birds. Waterfalls crash into cool pools, where locals and visitors swim and listen to the water's endless song. Wildlife thrives here. Mona monkeys leap, armadillos roam, and the rare Grenada dove finds shelter. Grenada's story is one of conquest and resilience. The colonial first lived here, followed by French and British colonizers seeking riches. Forts rose, plantations grew, and enslaved Africans toiled for centuries. In 1974, Grenada gained independence, but faced revolution and intervention soon after. Today, Grenadians remain resilient, proudly shaping their own future. Grenada's soul is woven from many threads. The people are mostly descendants of Africa, with roots reaching back to both French and British ancestors. Their traditions run deep. Christianity is the main religion, but African customs and beliefs still shape community life. In villages, old songs and dances live on. Drumming and storytelling fill the air during festivals. The annual carnival is an eruption of color and sound, costumes, music, and laughter blending African and European traditions. Spirituality is personal, but everywhere, from church bells calling on Sunday to quiet prayers whispered beneath ancient trees. Grenada's culture reflects its history. French words linger in the local Creole. British customs shape schools and government. Yet, Grenadians have created something unique, a mixture of faith and celebration, respect for ancestors, and delight in the present. This tapestry of beliefs and rituals gives Grenada its warmth. It is a place where everyone is welcome, and every tradition has a place at the table. Grenada's buildings tell their own story. In St. George's and around the coast, houses are painted in joyful shades: coral, mint, lemon, and sky blue. Roofs slope steeply, sheltering families from rain and sun. Wooden shutters and verandas invite cool breezes and neighbors' greetings. Colonial forts stand guard above the harbors, their walls thick with centuries of memories. Fort George and Fort Frederick overlook the sea, their cannon silent now, their stonework covered in moss and bougainvillea. From these high points, the view is endless. Red roofs, green hills, and blue sea. Small towns nestle along the coast. Guyave, Grenville, and Sauteurs each have their own rhythm. Fishermen mend nets on the beach. Children run between market stalls. Life moves slowly, but every corner, every alley is alive with stories. Grenada's architecture is more than shelter, it is a celebration. a blend of old and new, of community and individuality. It reflects the spirit of a people who treasure both history and hope. Grenadian cuisine is an adventure for the senses. Every meal tells a story of land and sea, of heritage and innovation. The national dish, oil down, is a hearty stew of breadfruit, salted meat, coconut milk, and spices. Nutmeg, mace, and cinnamon flavor cakes and porridge. Cocoa becomes rich chocolate or spicy cocoa tea. Markets brim with fresh fruit: mango, guava, soursop, and golden bananas. Grenadians are known for their warmth and hospitality. St. George's is Grenada's beating heart. Its harbor is a perfect horseshoe, lined with pastel houses and bustling docks. Fishing boats and yachts bob on the water. The scent of salt and spice mingles in the air. Every morning, the town wakes to the sound of bells and busy feet. The market square is the soul of the city. Here, vendors display pyramids of nutmeg, cocoa, and fresh produce. Grandmothers gossip over baskets of yams. Children chase chickens, and fishermen haul in shiny barracuda. The colors and sounds are intoxicating, an endless dance of commerce and community. Wander the narrow streets, and surprises await at every turn. Old stone churches stand beside lively cafes. Artisans sell hand-woven baskets and carved calabash bowls. The Carinage, a waterfront promenade, fills with music as the sun sets. Steel drums, reggae, and laughter ringing out across the bay. St. George's is more than a city. It is a living memory, a gathering place, and the heart of Grenada's dreams. Here, the island spirit shines brightest, and every visitor finds a welcome. Why visit Grenada? The answer lies in its authenticity. Here, beauty is not just for show. It is wild, generous, and real. The rainforests are untouched, the beaches uncrowded. The people live close to nature, and every visitor is welcomed as a friend. Grenada is a place for those who seek real adventure. Hike through ancient forests, swim beneath hidden waterfalls, taste the world's freshest spices, learn the stories of a people who have survived and thrived despite history's storms. Here, every day brings a new discovery, a new reason to fall in love. In Grenada, time slows down. The rush and noise of the world fade away. Instead, you find quiet moments. A sunrise on the beach, a shared meal, a song carried on the breeze. These are the gifts Grenada offers. Moments that linger in the heart long after you leave. To visit Grenada is to rediscover wonder. To remember that the world is still full of secrets, still waiting to be explored. As we leave Grenada, the island's mysteries remain. Its green hills, hidden bays, and smiling faces call us back. Grenada is not just a destination, it is an experience, a lesson in resilience, beauty, and hope. Travel teaches us to look deeper, to see with new eyes. In Grenada, we find not just landscapes, but lives intertwined with history and nature. We learn that the world's true treasures are often the ones least known, most patiently waiting to be discovered. The journey does not end here. Each destination is a doorway, each story a beginning. Next time, we set our sights on another hidden wonder, perhaps the wild coasts of Dominica or the windswept peaks of St. Lucia. Until then, remember Grenada, the Caribbean's hidden gem revealed at last. And remember, adventure always waits just beyond the horizon.
The journey has only begun. Subscribe and join us for more extraordinary destinations ahead. See you in the next adventure.